Hello there. Right, I've had a message from the Wandahome the Caravan. Service and repairs have been done. I need to go in and speak to him about it though. So I'm on my way there now. Right, I'm here. Just to keep an update, where the Caravan went in for its annual service, part of its warranty. They took it off the storage pitch. They went to test it. They couldn't get any water to draw through. They thought the water pump had gone. They did some investigation, and it turns out that somehow the main circuit board in the Caravan had blown, so none of the electrics were working at all. Thankfully, that was covered by warranty. It took them a while, about a week, to fix the circuit board, water pump's all working again. But when they came to test the heater, it was making an awful noise. They had to go and investigate that. There was some confusion over whether it was going to be covered over the warranty or not, whether it was covered under 2 year or 3 year. As far as I can tell, it's a 3 year warranty. They went in to check it. They rang me up and they sent me an email, and they told me that it's actually somehow a little bit of a plastic bag had got into one of the fans on the water heater, and it was clicking on it against it, making a racket. So there was no component damage or anything. It was just something stuck in the water heater, the boiler thing. So that's all sorted. So I don't think I'm going to get charged for that anyway. And now they say all the repairs, all the service is done. As I just need to pop in, see how the damp report goes, pay for it all, see if there's any other issues with it. So fingers crossed. Right then, got its little service report and its repairs and stuff like that. Obviously the service costs about 300 quid to get done, which is brilliant. And because they had to investigate the noise in the boiler, the investigation wasn't covered. If it had been a fault with the boiler, obviously the replacement of the boiler, the fix of the boiler would have been under warranty, because it took them about an hour or so to strip out the boiler and locate what the problem was. I have to pay for that as well, so it's more money. It's a bit annoying really, because we haven't really used the Caravan much in the last, I don't know how many months now. It's been a while, because as we said in previous videos, it's been hard to get away. So we've had storage fees, insurance, servicing reports, and now some repairs. It's like cost us over £1,000 just for it to sit on storage at the moment, which is really frustrating. We're gonna have to try and get out in it and try and get a little hey-ho out, interested in going out or whatever. But yeah, the damp report, everything checks out on the service as far as I can tell. He said there's no issues to worry about. It did include a damp report, which I'll try and flash on the screen. Let's just have a look. The numbers all seem 12's the highest at the front right, 8, 7, seems to be all 9, 7, 8, 7, 9. I think they're all within the sort of normal sort of parameters. I think I'll put up, I've got a look back in my images, and I've got a photo of the last damp report, so I'll put that on the screen as well. So hopefully that's appearing now. So we can compare how much it's changed between now and then. I think it looks about the same, or down in some places and slightly up in others. It probably helps getting a damp report on a Caravan done during one of the hottest summers that we've had in about 20 odd years. I imagine everything's dry, bone dry. It's like a desert out there. So I'll put some various shots and bits and bobs of the service report and the damp report and everything, but that's all done now. So it was all fixed. The circuit board's been fixed. The carrier bag that was in the boiler that was making the racket has been fixed. The service has been done, so that's that. Now we just need to get out in it. But hope you enjoyed watching our little update. Thankfully it's all sorted now, and we'll try and get away as soon as we can. You've been watching Hey Ho Let's Tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe.